take te dora which I think te dora then go about and will be answer book te dora cause it is in the Bible and what Lloyd Dork Lloyd Dora the manan take it cause take a turn out la ran the teach ka kuji gwada dana targeting like you do not know you do not have an idea about how it start la bibi majik dare kuji how it start and then we pay dare be question de go be kulu binyotic what I'm saying here is this gorjeno biarodun jakane to go ran mi gorjeno birama mo bielu okay cause attention and you very one la can first of all and my position is this coach who are you where you are heading you deserve a stupid answer not the real answer you deserve a stupid answer Quran muraje ke roine to share roine to go sheme agora Bible teji te dora then by the lojibo ka loy dora ko be could understand where you come from